Number 7, exercise 11.2. Okay, the floor of the building, construction of the 3000 tiles 3000 tiles are required, which are the rhombus shapes are the each of the diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. It's the length, and each find the total cost of the polishing of the floor. It's a cost of the is per meter. Here is the important is the per meter is a 4 rupees. Okay, a floor and required tiles is 3000 tiles will be required, and that given a length of the diagonals is given one tiles is 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So that is rough a diagram of the rhombus is the tile shape. It is the length is given 45 centimeter and second diagonals are given is 30 centimeter. Okay, so that A, B, C and D, this is the area, this is the measurement of each sides. Okay, now solve the question. First you now total area of floor. Total area of floor is 3000 into area of one tiles. Because the area of one tiles and total required tiles is 3000 to multiply 3000. Okay, now we solve 3000 into area of the tiles is shape is a rhombus. They write 1 upon 2 d1 into d2, where d1 is a d1, it is a d2. Now solve 3000 into 1 by 2 into d1 is a 30 and d2 is a 45. Now we solve is 15. Okay, and 3000 into 15 into 45, that the 3000 into 15 into 45. Okay, now multiply 45 into 15. 5 5 is 25 is 2, 5 to 4 is 20 and 22 into 45 is 5 7 6 and into 3 is 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15 is 1 carry, and 3 7 is 21, 21 and 22 is 2 carry, 3 6 is 18, 18 and 2 is 20. The final answer is 2025 and 000. It is the unit of centimeter square, because that diagonals length is centimeter. But here is the one problem that it's if the cost is per meter, so first you change the total area is in meter square. Okay, change in meter square. Meter square means 2025 upon 100 into 100 is equal to meter square. Now with 2011 and it is the 202.5 meter square in a area of required floor. Okay, next is cost of polishing. Cost of polishing is given. Now cost of polishing the floor is how much? Is a 4 meter rupees of 4 per meter square. The total cost is 202.5 into 4 is equal to Now we multiply 202.5 into 4, 5 to the 22. Okay, 5 to 22, 4 to the 8, 9, 10, 1, 4 1 the 4 and 1 5, 4 to the 8. Again will be 20. Is it 2.5 into 4. Now multiply 5 to the 20 is 2 carry, 5 to the 8, 8, 9, 10 is 1, 5, 4, 0, 0, 1, 4 to the 8 and point. So that the total cost is 108.00 rupees. It is the total cost of polishing the 3000 tiles. Now question number 8 is given. Mohan want to raise a trapezium shape of field. It is side along the river is parallel to at the twice of the side along the road. Okay, purchase a trapezium shape area, and one side is a road and second side is a river, but is a given the side is the road side is a river side, the side is the area, the length of the side is twice of road of the side. It's mean that suppose that this side is and this side is the length of equal to this. Okay, now suppose it is a x, so this is the twice of means 2x. Okay, and if the area of the field is given, the area is given 105,000 meter square, and perpendicular distance between two parallel side is a two parallel sides, means the parallel side is at side of river and side of road is 100, and find the length of the along of the river. Okay, now you write that A, B, C and D. Okay, now A, B, C, D is a which shape? Trapezium shape. Okay, A, B, C, D is a trapezium shape. It's mean the two parallel side. Where is the parallel side? The two parallel side is AB and CD. That means AB and CD are two parallel side. Okay, now let CD is equal to x, then be AB is equal to 2x, and perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance means height. Its mean value of h is equal to 100 meter, and given then the area of this height. Okay, now we find now area of shape, area of shapes. Okay, it's mean their area is a trapezium. You write the short in bracket, write that 1/2 is A plus B, where A plus B is the formula. Now you write the sum of parallel side and into h. H is a height. Okay, now put the value is 1/2 is first is x, second is a 2x into 100, and area of trapezium is 1050. Okay, now solve is 1050 into 2. transfer to, because here is a denominator division, you will go to multiplication. Then xx 3x in bracket 100. Then 100 will be transferred to 10500 into 2 upon 100 is equal to 3x. 100 to 102 cancel. Now 3 will transfer, that means the value of is equal to x is equal to 105 into 2 upon 3. Because 3 here is a multiplication sign, will be transferred, that right, 105 into 2 is equal to x, and 3 will be transferred. So now we write 3 1 ja 3, 3 ja 9, and 1 carry, 3 5 is 15. That x is equal to 2 multiply 35 is a 70. So that is a 70 meter is a length of roadside. Okay, and second, it means this is the value of CD, and AB is equal to 2x, means 70 into 2 is equal to 140 meter, means the sides is 70 meter and 140 meter. Question number 9. Top surface of the raised platform is a shape of the regular octagon. Regular octagon means the all sides are equal and total number of sides is 8. This is the given diagram, and find the area of the octagon surface. Okay, to find the area of total. So first you will write the name is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Okay, and join the AD, because he no any formula is find the total area of the octagon is divide into the 3 parts. 3 parts mean they will is given the side of the length is 5 meter and distance of this distance they are already touched in the distance is 11, and first and second side will be distance is 4 meter. So similarly to here the distance is 4 meter and length of this side is a 11 meter. Okay, so you see there are 3 part, 1 2 3. Okay, now write the 1 part, second part and third part. The sum of the total area of octagon surface is area of first part plus area of second part and plus area of third part, means first part, second part and third part. And you see the first part is the side and side is a parallel, and this is the given the distance, and A B C D is a which type of trapezium. So you write area part is area of A B C D, second is a area is A D E H, and third is if again will be area of H E F G. Okay, now first is the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is 1/2 A plus B into H, where A and B is a length of the side, and this is a 5 centimeter. It is already 5 centimeter each side of the 5 centimeter. Same is a 5 centimeter here, and same side is a here will be 5 centimeter. So now plus second is a area of ADE. ADEH is a rectangle. It's mean length into breadth, plus area of HEFG. HEFG again trapezium is 1/2 A plus B into H. Okay, now put the value of is 1/2 value of A is 5 and value of B is equal to 11 and value of H is equal to 4. 5, 11 and distance is H. Here L is a 11 into 5 plus again 1 upon 2, value of A is a 5 plus B is a 11 and H is a 4. Now solve. 2 is a 4, 2 is a 4. 5 and 2 16 into 2 plus 55 plus 16 into 2 is 16 into 2 is a 32 plus 55 plus 32. 32. Now sum 9, say 5, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. The one is unit is given meter. The 119 meter square of the area of total octagon surface. Question number 10. These are pentagonal shape park is shown in the figure. In the find the Jyoti and Kavita divide into the two different way and find the area of the park. Using both way, can you suggest some way of find the area? Okay, it is given the diagram that is a pentagonal because 5 side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is not a regular pentagon because all sides are not equal. The distance is 15. Again this distance is 15 and total distance for the end top point to bottom line is 30. Okay, and 2 is Jyoti and Kavita will be divided into two different way. So now first will be solve way of Jyoti. Okay, way of Jyoti. Now solution. Now we taking Jyoti's diagram. In the book is given that Jyoti's diagrams. Jyoti's diagram. Where is the Jyoti's diagram? Jyoti's diagram is here. Is divided to between a two part. Okay. Now we A, B, C, D and E and F, and this is the distance is no any change to 15 and this total distance is 15. Okay, and the middle distance is 30 because top point to the bottom, and that's the first part and this is the second part. Okay, so both are two rhombus, two trapezium. Okay, their area of which is the shape of area of the pentagonal shapes park. Okay, it's equal to 2 into area of A, F, D, E. 1 A, F, D, E because both are same, so to have to multiply 2 times. Okay, and put the value 2 into is 1 upon 2 AB into H. Where is the AB? Suppose you will first time you count that the value of A and this is the value of B and this is the value of height. Height is a center means 15 upon 2 is a distance of this side. So you pi it 2 cancel, simply A plus B into H, that the value of A is a 15 and 30 is the value of B into 15 upon 2. Okay, now is 45 into 15 upon 2. After multiplication 45 and 15, 5 5 is 25, 5 2, 5 2 is 20 and 2 20. In 5 is 5, 7, 6 is that 6, 7, 5 upon 2 and 3 times 6, 3 times 6 and 7 times 14 and 0.5 meter square. This is the Jyoti's diagrams. Okay, now second is given Kavita's diagram. So you have second time to draw diagram is the shape of Kavita, because two different way. You write is taking Kavita diagram. Kavita diagram is okay, it is divided by the into the one diagonals and rectangle. Its distance is 15. Here distance is 15 meter. It is distance is 15 meter. This distance is 15 meter. This type of a square. Okay, and upper side will be make a triangle. This triangle, this is the distance is a height. Height is a 15 and base is a 15. Okay, so now you write A, B, C and D upper E. That is the area of pentagon gonal shape. Pentagon shapes is equal to area of triangle. Area of triangle is DCE plus area of quadrilateral ABCD. Yeah, write the square of the ABC. Okay, now area of the triangle is 1/2 base into height plus is a, it is a square means side into side. Now put the value is 1/2 is 15 into 15, because height is 15 and base is 15 plus side is 15 into 15. Okay, now is solve is 225/2 plus 225. 15 multiply 15 is 225, and after cancellation 112.5 plus 225, and after sum is 0.5, 5 or 2 7, 2 and 1 33 meter square. Question 11 is diagram of the adjusting pictures. Frame is the order dimension is 24 into 28 centimeter and inner dimension of the 16 into 24 centimeter. First is a length, second is a breadth of the. Find the area of the each section is a given diagram, and this is the outer diagrams. Outer length is given 24 and 428 centimeter, and inner will be photo framing, and their part is a section post. 4 section will be there. 1 and 2 upper and down section are each same, and left and right section is a same. Okay, and ask the width of the each section are same, means they are distance. This distance and this distance, this is the distance is same. Okay, so first you find the distance. Okay, then it is a 4, 1 2 3 4. 4s are the trapezium, because the side and side the distance will find. This is the perpendicular distance is the length of height. Okay, now the breadth is it is the distance. This is the distance is, this is distance is 16. Okay, and total 24. It means you write A, B, C and D, and mid is E, F, G, H. Okay, so you write now width of frame. is AB minus EF. Okay, AB minus EF. So that 24 minus 16. So that two part is included. Okay, then upon 2, because I will want to one part. This is a two part. The length and this part will be subtract. Okay, so the two part will include, and divided by 2 it means only length of 1. So the given is 24 minus 16 upon 2. 24 minus 16 is equal to 8. That 8 upon 2 is cancelled. It means that the 4 centimeter is a height of each section. Now find the area of down. A, B, F, E is a trapezium. Okay, then you write 1 upon 2 A plus B, where A plus B into H. A and B is a parallel side and H is you find only 4. Okay, now solve 1 upon 2. A and B is a 24 plus 16 into 4. So then B is 2 and after plus is 40. 40 into 2 is equal to 80 centimeter square is a one section. Okay, and same will be right. Area of upper section is DCHG is equal to 80 centimeter square. Their two areas are same, up and down. And again next find to left. Now we area of A E H D equal to area of right hand side to B F G C. Both our areas are same. Is a 1 upon 2 because it is a trapezium. A plus B into H. Now put the value of A1 upon 2 is the value of this side is given 28 plus, and this side is given is 20 into is 4. You already find the distance. There 2 add is 48 into 2 is equal to 96 centimeter square. So the first section is 80 cm, means there this is the area is 80 centimeter square. 80 centimeter square is a 96 and 96 area is a fine.